Crown molding. Crown molding. Crown molding. Alright. We do crown molding. Crown molding. Crown molding. Little crown molding. Doing some crown molding all the way around there. We're gonna do a sill. Trim everywhere. Sill, trim. We're gonna frame in these doors. Put in another door. As I said, there's our crown. And we're gonna do this room. Put in a door here. We'll get started. Where do you want to start? That corner or this corner? I don't care. You pick. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we'll update later. Doing crown, doors, trim, casing, base. House in North. Where are we? North Palm Beach on the island. Yeah. Alright, we're doing two-piece. As you can see up there, actually here we got our crown going. It's a two-piece system. So here's how she's gonna look. These pieces are gonna go like so. That's how it's gonna look. So this piece will come in and end up being just like that. Two-piece system. All the way around.
So I'm ready.
Pat says he's ready. All right, here we are, day 2, and we're getting our crown done first. You can see here, we got a little bit. We got to do our cope end pieces. Got this room pretty much done. We gotta put in our crown in here. It's 2-piece, so we're ready to start there. All right.
Hey, what's going on, young man?
Ready to start day 2?
Yeah.
All right, the drywaller guys are done. There's Patricio, there's big old coffee.
Did I leave my other lunchbox here?
I don't know. All right, day 2, ready to get this done. Now I could show you downstairs. All the mudder guys are done. They were skimming walls yesterday. So we're gonna be doing crown all the way up there. We're doing crown all the way around here in the stairway. This is a I don't know if we're doing, we might end up doing that in this hallway. That's closet, so that won't be done. And then here, as you can see, all the mudders were here. We're gonna crown this with just crown. It's not a 2-piece, at least I believe. And we're gonna run crown back into there. And we're gonna run crown back into there. And that's it. Supposedly they were gonna have an arch around the doors and they wanted us to trim those out. I don't know, we still may end up trimming those out. And then we have to do an inlay on these 4 garage doors. Some specific PVC molding on the garage doors. And that's it. There's stucco in the back of this house. Doing the window arches. All right, back at it. Update, get some footage. See y'all later.